Welcome to this Geography Masterclass. Today we're going to learn about mountain hazards, specifically looking at volcanoes, landslides and avalanches. My name is Mr. Salagaras. This is part of my Year 8 Science Geography course. Okay, we're going to start off by talking about volcanoes. Volcanoes are just large landforms created by the movement of plates and cracks in the crust of the earth. On the right here, we've got a diagram. It's important to know those different parts of a volcano. So we're going to start at the bottom. We've got a magma chamber here, okay? That is at the crust of the earth. At the top here, as we move our way up, we've got our main vent. We have our secondary chambers here on the side, and we've got the crater at the top. That's what most people recognize when they see a volcano, the crater. You've also got, this is a erupting volcano. You've got a gas cloud, I said it again, gas and ash cloud at the top. Okay, down the side you've got magma flow, and on the far side you've got what's called a pyroclastic flow. So for those who don't know, a pyroclastic flow is incredibly hot gas and ash and that sort of thing that flows from a volcano at incredibly high speeds. So if you're in front of this, you would get incinerated. So pyroclastic flows are so dangerous. Okay, the hazards of a volcano include things like ash clouds, lava flow, mudslides, floods, and tsunamis. Wow, there's a whole lot there. So the mudslides are caused when you've got a volcano in a very cold area where there is still ice around the crater or the top or the peak of the volcano itself. So that melts as the lava goes down, creating mudslides, floods, and also a whole lot of other problems. Let's talk about landslides now, yeah? Landslides regularly affect mountainous landscapes. So what a landslide is, or can be defined as, is the movement of soil, mud, rock, and snow carried by the force of gravity downhill. They're often caused by things like heavy rain, unstable slopes, earthquakes, eruptions, and erosion. Okay, they're very important to know. Okay, there are 4 different types of landslides. Let's talk about these now. The first is called soil creep. So the gradual movement of soil, rock, and earth down a gentle slope is known as soil creep. So this doesn't happen heaps quickly, but it's the movement of that earth down a gentle slope. Slumping is the large sections of earth moving caused by earthquakes, heavy rain, freezing, and thawing. Okay, so large sections of earth. A mudslide, that's the more serious one, yeah? That's triggered by heavy rain, thawing, earthquakes, and volcanic activity. So they're the ones that pose a huge threat to civilizations and housing and stuff. Avalanches, that's just, it's kind of like a mudslide, but it's the rapid movement of snow down a steep mountain slope. Those things can just happen like that. It can be caused by things like tremors in the earth and also heavy rain and all that jazz, yeah. Okay, so let's summarize what we've talked about. So we've talked about the different types of landslides. We've talked about what a landslide is, the hazards of a landslide, the causes of a landslide. We've talked about what a volcano is, the hazards, and how they are formed. Hey, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure, most importantly, watch it again if there's a point that you missed. Thanks for watching.